Hi everyone, welcome back. See if we can get this focused here for you. Okay, so we are still in Module 3. We are in Topic 3, Lesson 3, Activity 3, page 337. That should have been 333. That would have been cool. Module 3, Topic 3, Lesson 3, Activity 3. Okay, habits of mind. Reason abstractly and quantitatively, construct viable arguments, and critique the reasoning of others. Using unit rates in tables and graphs. The Sixth grade chorus made and sold their own mixture of trail mix at soccer games to raise money for an upcoming trip. During the first soccer game, they sold 1-pound bags for $2.80. They got many requests to sell different size bags of their trail mix. The group decided to vary the size of the bags, but wanted to make sure that the cost to pounds rate stayed the same. Complete the table to display the cost for various quantities of trail mix. Create a graph from your table of values. Okay, so they tell us first that 1 pound is $2.80. So we'll put $2.80 here. It tells us to graph it as well. So let's see. This is my x-axis. This is my x. This is my y. So this is the weight. And this is the cost. Okay, so 1 pound will be here. And $2.80. Let's see, this is going up 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 lines between 0 and 1. So it's going up by 25. So 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1, and so on. So at 1 pound, there's $2, $2.25, $2.50, $2.75. So $2.80 will be just a little beyond that. We'll put a dot right there. Okay. Then we have let's do the half a pound, because I know if 1 pound is $2.80, half a pound is half of that, so $1.40. So let's go over to half a pound and up to $1.40. So here's $1, $1.25, $1.50. So it's going to be a little bit under that. Okay, so then a quarter of a pound is half of the half a pound, so half of $1.40 is 70 cents. So a quarter of a pound. So let's see how this is going up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them here, so we are going up. Let's see. They're not making that very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay. So actually, so halfway between 0 and a half is going to be the quarter. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this line right here is the 0.25. Guess I was overthinking that. And it goes up to 70 cents, which this is the 75-cent line. So about right here. And then 3/4 of a pound, 7,500. So if we just add the quarter of a pound and the half a pound together, it should be $2.10. So that'll be halfway between the half a pound and the 1 pound. So up this line right here, and I'm going up to 210, which is going to be just barely above the 2. Okay, so 1.25, so we have the 1 pound and the quarter of a pound, so $2.80 and 70 cents is $3.50. So 1 1/4 pounds, it's going to be this line here. $3.50 is right here. That one's nice. That's our only one that is exactly on the little crosshairs right there. And then 1 1/2. So we have 1 pound is $2.80. The half a pound is $1.40. So if we add those two together, so $4.20. So 1 1/2, and that's this line here. 420 is going to be about right here. Now if we connect our dots, and we know the 350 and the 1.25 is exactly on, so I'm going to use that one with the origin. And there we go. Okay. Identify 2 points on the graph that represent unit rates. Write each unit rate in words and explain its meaning. So unit rate means one of the values is 1. So let's see, when our x is 1, so when we go over to 1, then we go across here at the y, so 1 pound was 280. And so this point is a unit rate, so it means for every 1 pound of trail mix, the cost is $2.80. Okay, and then what does it mean when we have 1 at the other one? So we have 1 here and it crosses about right there. So this point here is going to be over at about 0.36 and up to 1. So this point is telling us every $1, right here, every $1, that's about 0.36 pounds of trail mix. Explain how your graph displays equivalent rates. Oh, 2 things. 1, form a straight line. 2, goes through the origin. Okay, and we will see you on the next video.